Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystem.com. In this video, I'm going to show how you can recover your losses if you have any. For example, if you go long, the pair doesn't go long for some reason and it dropped, then what to do, right? Now, pair goes up or down because of a reason. And the reason is most of the time, 99.9% of the time, is the news, right? Technical is just the roadmap. So the news moves the market. So now I let me show you here that on the 20th, we had FOMC for USD, red news, right, at 2 p.m., which came out bad, and USD start to get weaker, and Euro USD and Pound USD went up, right? So I had, a nice long trade in that. So that's it. So now on the 20th, now what happened on 21st? Uh, Here I posted on, let me see, you see Euro USD making a long. This is on the 21st, March 21st. Where's the March? Right, see, March 21st date. So I posted Euro USD making a long and Pound USD also, right? Was about to make the long. Where those long setups were, let me show it to you. This was the time. So, okay, hold on just a minute. See the time here, the Euro is 6:10. Now, 6:10 is equal to what time for broker? So 6 a.m. is 1300 hour, right? So 1300 hour was right here. So I made an entry and I placed my SL here. My SL is always 25 pip. Now, I was aware of the news that I'm making an entry at 6 o'clock, hoping that the next news for the USD, which is on 21st, which is right here at 8:30, red news, and unemployment claims 2.5 hours later, right? And I was expecting that will be coming bad as well, just like FOMC, and the US is going to get weaker, and I will have my long entry, working for me, right? But what happened? The news came out better than expected. Why? Because the number is low, right? It's 212,000 came out 210,000. So a lot of people can say that is bad. No, it is not. Unemployment claim, actually, you read here, the actual less than forecast is good for currency. So the numbers were less, good for currency. USD start to get strong. And this is where it'll start to get strong, right? On 21st. So I knew then and there that my entry is going to hit SL. And then what? Then you have to prepare to take the reverse trade, means the other side, right? But on the 20-minute, that doesn't happen immediately. So I was watching on the 7-minute as well. Euro USD and Pound USD both, right? So Pound USD start to drop, and then this entry was exactly at the time of the news, 8:30. See, 15:30 is equal to 8:30. 8:30 news break, and I do not take the trades exactly at the time of the news. A little bit later is fine. 10 minutes, 15 minutes later, yes. So this entry gone, but then after that, all the way down here, I got the entry the next day almost, right? This is the next day on the 22nd, 4 p.m., 4:30. Euro USD never gave me the entry. This was the trade gone bad, 20 pip loss. And after that, you can see that even 7-minute never gave me the entry. And this was the entry at the end of the, like Friday, and which I don't trade on Friday at all. Not like this. The end time, no way. So Euro USD never gave me the entry, but I was also watching the Pound USD, and Pound USD also reversed to the downside after that news and came out. And this is the entry that I found. And I placed my SL, not SL, sorry, my EA, expert advisor. And I was expecting that, if the entry will be there, my EA will take, right? So this is the entry that my EA took it like this. So Pound USD actually dropped and gave me a short entry from 7-minute chart. Sell order is right there. SL moved to break even plus and came out with 75 pip. So basically, I lost 25 pip in Euro USD long, right? And then when the Pound USD and Euro USD both start dropping, Euro USD never gave me a short entry, but Pound USD gave me the entry. And not only I recovered my 25 pip loss, but came out with 50 pip positive. This is how You have to do it. So this is why, I am, when the trade is happened, when the news came out, then after that, usually I do not post on the Telegram. And that is the reason, because I'm really busy. You have to be focused and vigilant of what is happening. Be aware of, like several pairs, and then they're watching their indexes, watching the news one after the other, what's happening, what not. So that's why, I'm busy doing that, right? Yes, I post ahead of time that, be ready, or this is the setup is coming up, or this news is coming up. That's how I post on my Telegram, heads up already, and upcoming setups and the videos and all of that. So this is how I did recover my Euro USD and Pound USD long prediction, but they didn't go long. But either see where the heck the price gonna go, either up or down, right? If it's not going up, just look for downside and you'll find it. Simple. All right. So just wanted to show you guys that this is how it is. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, then go on my website. This creativetradingsystems.com, subscribe, whatever. You have multiple options there. And this is it. And you have a very, very wonderful rest of the weekend. And talk to you guys later.